As always, enthusiasm is a way of life. Express very powerfully. If expression is not there, see, Shiv Yoga says, whatever job you have taken, whatever responsibility you have taken, take it in a big way. I'll give you one example. It's a very interesting. In India, there is an organization which is multi-crore organization. And if anybody whose profession is to clean the toilets and construct the toilets, how enthusiastically he can convey, this is my profession. What do you say? Generally, the general way is that it's better I don't speak. But there is a person in India who said that I must think big. I must think big. He identified the problem that in the urban areas, a lot of people from the villages, they migrate. They don't have homes. But a person needs bathing and a person needs toilet. And if he does not have a home, what will he do? Khule gagan ke tale. So what he did, he said, I will build toilets for such people. I will build toilets for such people. And believe me, in all metropolitan towns, he built the toilets. And how much they charge, 1 rupee or something, God knows. And he named it Shulabh Shauchalaya. He did not give a very fancy name. He said toilet means Shauchalaya, Shauch ka alay. So he said Shulabh Shauchalaya. Now everybody speak this word with, respect. Shulabh Shauchalaya. So the first thing, he made life of those village folks, those who have gone to the towns for their earning, and they have now bathrooms, they have toilets, and believe me, they are very, very beautiful. And now, recently I saw that wherever there is a Shauchalaya, now outside there is a hero-heroine photograph. Nice looking, and then. So think big. Any job which you have, if you think big, you will become big. And if you will think small, even if a big work is given to you, you will make it menial. And to think big, the first thing is the zeal and enthusiasm. What is it? Zeal and enthusiasm. I want you people to develop this habit.